How does global warming lead to rising sea levels? We will seek to answer this question through the results of our experiment. When we take an ice cube out of the freezer and leave it in a glass outside the freezer, what happens to it? Let's observe. It eventually melts and becomes liquid. How does this compare to your prediction? Climate change is due to global warming. Our planet is warming. As the ice melts, more and more water is added to the ocean, which causes the sea level to rise. In our experiment, it was possible to see this happen. See how the water level is getting higher? That's what's happening in the ocean when the ice melts. This can be challenging for people, animals, and plants who are close to seasides. The more the temperature rises, the faster the ice melts. We can demonstrate this by placing two ice cubes on a table. One ice cube placed at room temperature and the other heated with a fan heater. We could see that the melting of Earth glaciers on land contributes to sea level rise. How about the melting of icebergs at sea? But does it make a difference where the ice is? Do all ice masses contribute to sea level rise? This could be the next investigation. Science is all about exploring and finding creative solutions. Don't forget, it's important for all of us to learn about these changes and take care of our planet.